very weird seeing this sign up in front of my house right now. But on to new beginnings, I guess. It's starting the progress. Mama B's here helping me.
Help me, Jesus.
Those are all the right done I'm selling. And then these are all for garage sale, all the ones that are in clear bins. Brian's having another garage sale, so I'm gonna bring a lot of stuff there. And then these are things I'm packing. Got through those 2 cabinets. So yeah, it's a very big mess right now, but it'll be worth it, so I'm not rushing, you know, once I am moving. Big, huge table. I know, sad day. I know you guys love that table and bench set, but it was going to be too big for wherever I end up after this, which will definitely be in a smaller home. So I'm also sold this, going to a good home. They're all going to really nice people though, so that makes me happy. So that's being sold. And actually the entertainment unit, which I know you guys also love this to pieces, but it's such a huge piece. It's like 113 inches long. Like, it's pretty big. But again, as long as it goes to someone that's going to give it some loving care. I'm keeping the TV for now though. Got boxes over here already. It's becoming a box heaven again. New progress update. It's Wednesday. These are more boxes for the garage sale, for Brian and Haley's garage sale, that I'm going to be bringing a lot of stuff to. And then, yeah, just have a few things that need to be packed up right there. The majority of the kitchen is empty when it comes to these top cabinets, but I still have to do all the bottom, like the pans and stuff. But it's not like the house just went up for sale this week, so who knows when and when it will sell, but I'm just trying to get ahead of myself. And you guys might remember this table from the 2-story home that I was in Queen Creek. We had this set up, and we kept the table. It was still in the garage, so I'm using that for now. So just using that to stage the room still, since the other pieces are out of here now. Yeah. Holly's like, what the heck, Mom? Right, baby? It's Thursday morning. I put a little rose in my bun today. Just thought I'd jazz up my hair as much as I could. I'm like waiting an extra day. My girlies that like wash their hair every couple days feel me on this. This is like day 4 hair, and usually I would wash it day 3. So I'm trying to make it last a little longer because I'm going out with friends tomorrow night and want to have my hair look the best then. If you feel me, you feel me. But my Sephora order, I picked it up. I did like instead of having it shipped to me, I went and picked it up at my local store. And there's some hits, and I'm not sure if there's a miss yet. I'll try it out a little bit more, but let me go over that first. And then I got a surprise little mail goodie yesterday from my good friend Emily. Thanks, Emily, if you're watching. And I'll show you guys that too before I go to work. Holly's right under me. Okay, so this I have not tried out yet, and I'm so excited to try because I've heard great things. It's the Color Wow Cult Favorite Flexible Hairspray, and it was about the same price as like the Big Sexy hairspray that I love, so thought I'd give it a try since it was part of the sale. Okay, this is just a repurchase item, Living Proof Full Shampoo. This is when I kind of go in between this one and what's that purple bottle one? I think it's called Virtue. That one's really, really good, but that one's when I have like an Ulta coupon, I'll get it there. But yeah, love this shampoo. I love Living Proof products because that's what I use when I do like the natural curl look. I use a Living Proof product as well. It's called the Curl Definer, and it's in the orange packaging, not the gray. Okay, this is a new product for me, and I'm not sure if it's a hit yet. So I heard so many good things about it. It's the Sol de Janeiro Rio Radiance SPF 50, so it's their body lotion, and it has the number 87 fragrance. It's supposed to smell like that. It's SPF 50. It's for all over body, and it's supposed to have a little bit of illumination to it. And it's 100% mineral-based UVA, UVB protection. You get a pretty decent amount for this kind of product. Okay, the bummer is it kind of tastes, oh boy. The bummer is it kind of smells to me on first application, and this might age me for a second, but you know those lotions that if you used to go to tanning salons back in the day, like in junior high school, you put these lotions on and it's supposed to like help to enhance your tan and like yeah, like help your tan come to fruition a little bit quicker kind of thing. And it has that kind of after scent to me. But then once I put it on so it's like on first application, it smells kind of weird to me. It doesn't have that much of a shimmer. It's just a teeny bit. Let me show you. So it does give a little bit of a glow to your skin. But yeah, it has that, or you know the Jergens gradual tanner? That's what it smells like to me, that like tanner smell. And I don't know what is making that smell happen. But then once it dries down on my skin, it will start to smell like the Sol de Janeiro, but I just don't love that first initial tanner scent. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep that one. That's like the first Sol de Janeiro product that I'm not like jumping for joy for. I also got one of the Sephora brand liquid eyeliners because I'm almost out of the NYX one. I usually will get like the buy two, get one free when Ulta does it with NYX because I love their liquid liner. But this was 30% off. All Sephora brand stuff was 30% off and it's waterproof. And I do remember enjoying it when I've used it in the past. And then the last thing I got from the sale, this was super inexpensive even before the sale. I think, I can't remember the price. I'll put it right here for you guys. But I've heard so many good things about it already. And since it was really affordable and I had the 20% off, I decided to try it. And I have not actually put it on my skin yet. I will let you know later in the week, probably tomorrow when I try it out. And it's a caffeine eye cream. So it's supposed to obviously be hydrating under the eyes, but also kind of help to depuff and to reduce dark circles, help prevent skin from the impact of free radicals as well. So a daytime eye cream for me. And it had really good reviews, so I have high hopes for it. Simplistic packaging, so I'll let you guys know once I try it out. Okay, that's all that I purchased, and then I did get a few new lippies in the mail from Too Faced. They have been so sweet and generous to me lately, and I actually am wearing one of the plumping glosses from them that I can't stop wearing, and one of the blushes, the Cloud Blush. Again, I'll insert a picture of that because I forget the name off the top of my head. But these are the lip injection line, and they gave me one of the extreme lip shapers in Puffy Nude. It's like the plumping lip liners. I already have this one, so I'm gonna save this to put in a giveaway. I'm gonna be doing a big declutter, and anything that I have that's brand new, I'm gonna put like in a little giveaway for you guys soon. And then I also have the Lip Injection Maximum Plump. I think this is just their regular lip plumping product. Yes, I actually have this already too, so I will put this in part of the giveaway. But look how pretty that is just on its own. It comes off on the lips like a very, very faint pink, but it's more clear than anything. But does this give plump? Oh my gosh, it's like juicy. But it does have a tingle, so if you don't like when it has that like minty, fresh, tingly feel to your lips, do not buy these ones if that's the case. And this one has some color to it, and I do not have this one. I'm excited. Power Plumping Lip Gloss in Glossy and Bossy. How cute is that name too? And from the packaging, it looks like my kind of color. Look how pretty that is. It's like the perfect everyday pink. It has a little bit, I think it does have sparkle, I can't tell. No, I don't think it has sparkle. I think it's just a creamy color. Let's do a little swatch. Oh, I'm gonna be in love with this. And they all smell good too, like a little bit fruity and sweet. But this definitely looks like a color that I'm gonna be using a lot. It would be perfect with this lipstick actually. The liner today is what's making my lip look darker than I usually probably have on camera, and that was the Kat Von D lip liner. And again, I don't remember the name, so I'll link it below for you guys. Okay, last but not least, Emily sent me a little care package just to be like, I'm thinking of you, which was so sweet of her. And when I opened it, I have not seen this palette before, and it just screams like Christmas vibes. It's called Hey Reindeer Palette by Odin's Eye. And I have not tried any of their products before. Look how cute that is. Okay, this is like a sleeve. Yeah, Christmas vibes all over. There's like little gingerbread men and stuff in it. Made me so happy. Okay, when you open it up, there's a little mirror and there's a sleeve, a little plastic sleeve too to protect the shadows. But look how fun these are. I cannot wait to use this tomorrow now that I've shown you. I'll do a couple swatches real quick, but then I gotta leave to work. So let me see, I'll do like 1 or 2 mattes. I don't wanna even touch them because they're so pretty. I'm gonna, ooh, this one's Reindeer. They seem very pigmented. Then Sleigh. Oh my gosh, you guys. And then Greetings. That would be really pretty with this too. These are like crazy pigmented. I barely touched this. Look at that. Super foiled. Thank you so much, Emily. I cannot wait to play in all this makeup. And okay, I gotta get to work now. Happy Friday, you guys. I'm still at work, as you can probably tell from where I'm standing, but I'm actually going to be meeting my friends Aubrey and Joan at 36 Below. It's this really cool themed bar in Phoenix, and it's like a garden theme, and they have these really fun drinks that are themed as well. And of course, I'm going to take you along with me and show you how cute the place is. I'm wearing this jacket for now because it's really cold in the office, but I have this BB top and some jeans. Nothing crazy.